And on that note, if your eyes are not closed, please do close them. Let's start on our meditation. And today we're going to continue on the path of observation and non-action. Just observe. Observe and accept. Observe where you are, accept where you are. Observe who you are, accept who you are. It is only by accepting where you are today and who you are today that you will have the power to move forward. In order to grow into great ambitions, we need to practice humility. In order to grow, we need to know where we are. And so we practice with this meditation, observing our breath, observing the depth of a breath, but not changing it. Observing the rhythm of our breath, but not changing it. Observing the sensation of the air going up through our lungs, down and out, but not changing it. Observing tensions we might have in our body, maybe in our shoulders, in our necks, in the lower back, in our knees, but not changing it. Let's practice being mindful of where we are, of who we are. If it helps, you can count your breaths. You don't have to. Only if it helps, up to 20, and if you get lost, go back to 1. You can lose focus of your breath now, and let's take control of it. Let's take a nice deep breath in through the nose, down from the belly. And on the exhalation, gently open your eyes. Well done for today. Some very interesting stuff. Next week we will continue on some Jim Rohn and move to another author, another teacher, another book. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you have, click the like button. If you've not done so already, please subscribe to the channel. If you would like to contribute to this channel, you can buy me a cup of coffee. I really appreciate. I do enjoy my coffees. If you want to have the free worksheets, sign up to the newsletter. And of course, check out our suggested reading list and our little community on Facebook. If you want to say hi, if you need any help, if you have any questions, send me a message on Instagram. I will see you Monday. Take care. Ciao.